Hello traders. Today is 2nd of October 2023, first trading day of the week and the month and the quarter. What a blessing day, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market dollar CAD. That was a pretty straightforward. As explained, we had a previous last week this reaction. As explained to my trade, there's a possibility price might going to develop pullback, and that's a sign of continuation. That's what exactly we're looking here. When the market at this level, we said let's see if the market is going to reverse, but more likely we are bullish on dollar CAD. Beautiful long trade here. Market is about to hit to the profit target. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the key important thing. You can see here at the market open, this is what I did explain to my trader. Look for this breakout. Beautiful breakout. Even in the London morning session, after banking few PPs, as I explained, my trader look for another pullback. As you can see here, based on the analysis, we had a beautiful another pullback. After this, once the price was about this level, most of the trader was asking there's a possibility of market might gonna shoot down. Then I did another analysis, as you can see here, as explained to my trader, helping my trader not to miss the opportunity. As explained, if the market is going to develop pullback, which you can see here, market hasn't developed any pullback. We haven't seen any red candle here. That's why our intraday system, as I explained, look for breakout. As you can see here, we had a one pullback. This is the another scaling trade. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what I explained my trader. Either you consider tightening your stop loss or enjoy amazing profit on dollar CAD. So you want to see those analysis and the explanation in real time. Most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a nice day.